Every market has a state. It's either delivering price upward or delivering price downward. And there's a specific moment on the chart where that state changes. Miss it and you're trading the old direction. Spot it and you're ahead of the majority of retail traders. Today on PU Prime's Web Trader, I'm going to show you exactly what a change in state of delivery looks like and why it matters. Let's go. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Now I'm on PU Prime's Web Trader and I want to show you CSD, which is change in state of delivery. This is a concept that identifies a precise moment the market shifts from delivering price in one direction to delivering it in another, and it's one of the most important things you can learn to spot on a chart. The state of delivery refers to the overall direction price is being delivered, either bullishly, meaning higher highs and higher lows being created with upward momentum, or bearishly, meaning lower highs and lower lows being created with downward momentum. The market stays in one state until something happens to change it. That something is the CSD. A change in state of delivery happens when price breaks a significant structural level in a way that confirms a prior delivery has ended and a new one is beginning. In a bearish delivery, the CSD to bullish happens when price sweeps a previous low, collecting the sell side liquidity sitting there, and then aggressively reverses, breaking above a previous high and beginning to create higher highs. That reversal and break is the change. In a bullish delivery, the CSD to bearish happens when price sweeps a previous high, collecting that buy side liquidity, and then reverses, breaking below a previous low and beginning to create lower lows. If trading feels confusing or inconsistent, it might not be your efforts. It might just be a lack of clear direction. Let me introduce the Signaler.com. A signal service focused on delivering precise, well-structured trade ideas without all the unnecessary noise. With the Signaler, you get carefully prepared trade setups, exact entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, and straight to the point market insights that actually make sense. Every signal is built around discipline and proper risk control. There's no exaggeration and no overtrading, just calculated opportunities based on real analysis. And if you want to see the quality for yourself, they offer a 7-day free trial, so you can test the signals before making any commitment. Stay focused, follow structure, trade with a plan. Try the Signaler.com today. Now, let's get back to the video. Let's take a look at an example this morning so you can understand where and why I use this. So right here, you know I like to trade fair value gaps. And right here, we've got a fair value gap. This is a good area of interest for me to take a sell from. And the pattern's quite simple. So price comes back into the fair value gap. So we come into our area of liquidity. I'm looking for bearish opportunities to get sells in. Okay, so price pushes up, we come down. And what we need for the CSD is price to close. We need a body set below the last push candles, right? So we've got a series of candles. In this case, it's one bullish candle. I need bearish candle to close below this line to confirm the change in state of delivery. It didn't happen. So we then move on to the next because price came up, we broke high. So again, in the area of liquidity, price comes down and we get a body close below because we had the last run of bullish candles, price closed below. That is our change in state of delivery. Now, what you can do here, you can quite happily put your entry on the actual line itself. I personally like to use a candle entry. So it would be that you would enter and you would continue lower. That is a change of state of delivery. It's a really good entry signal from your areas of liquidity, from your narrative. It just confirms that you are going to continue in that direction. And what makes the CSD powerful as a concept is that it gives you a specific event to wait for rather than trying to call a top or bottom based on feel. You're waiting for it to tell you a specific sequence of price behavior. The liquidity sweep followed by the aggressive reversal and structural break is the market's confirmation that the state of delivery has changed. That is your signal. I want to talk about PU Prime's copy trading feature now, because for the kind of content we're covering in this series, CSD, inversion, fair value gaps, liquidity concepts, right? It connects directly to a question a lot of beginners have, which is, what do I do with my account while I'm still learning all of this? Copy trading on PU Prime is the answer to that question. It allows you to allocate a portion of your capital to automatically mirror the trades of a professional signal provider in real time. When they open a trade, it opens on your account proportionally. When they close it, yours closes. You're not making the decisions, the provider is, but your capital is active in the market and working while you're building the skills to trade it yourself. What makes PU Prime copy trading stand out is the transparency before you commit to anyone. Every single provider has a fully visible track record. Every trade they have ever taken is there for you to see. Entry, exit, pair, direction, result, duration, right? Win rate, drawdown, consistency over time. You're not trusting a headline stat or a screenshot. You're looking at the full unfiltered record and making a judgment based on real data. That level of transparency is not something every platform offers, and it makes a significant difference when it comes to choosing who you put your money behind. When you're evaluating a provider, the things to look at are just not win rate, right? Drawdown is more important. A provider with 60% win rate and 8% maximum drawdown is far more reliable than one with 80% win rate and 40% drawdown. Consistency over multiple months matters more than the strong recent run. The pairs they trade and the frequency of their trades tells you whether their style is compatible with how you want your account to behave. So take the time to go through the track record properly before you copy anyone. The information is all there on PU Prime, and it rewards the traders who use it properly. The link to PU Prime is in the description, right? So get in, explore the copy trading section and see who's out there. Liquidity sweep, aggressive reversal, structural break. That is your change in state of delivery. Wait for the confirmation and you're never chasing a reversal blind again. Get on PU Prime and start identifying these moments on your charts. The link is in the description. And if you want your account working while you're still learning, the copy trading feature on PU Prime is exactly what you need. All the details are in the description below. Subscribe and I will see you in the next one.